See, I'm connecting the power supply. I've connected the screen. Now see the amp. Okay, the screen. DELL. Okay. It's still constant. Backlight LED is still there. It's restarting. See. Eight GB Intel Core i7 4th generation. Okay, it's done. Yeah, just now we have received a laptop here. So what is the model number?
Latitude E7440.
Latitude E7440, right?
Right.
Okay, please connect to the DC machine. See, please open the laptop first. No. Flip you have to open. Okay. Slowly. Just a minute. Okay. Remove this one. Okay, connect this. See, it's a 0.011, right? So, see, it's switching on and immediately shutting down, right?
Right, sir.
See, automatically it's coming to nearby 135.81 and again 0.013. Just wait and see, it's a 144 or 141. Again 0.011. It's a 130, 0.130, and again see 0.083. Okay, press the power button. Slowly. There's no use. Same. Okay. See, it's a 0.012. Do one thing. So remove that DC jack. Okay. Just make it ulta. Remove the battery. Remove the battery. Yes, just you press and open. Now you again open the laptop. Slowly. It's 2 volt, I think so. It's very tight inches. Okay. So now you connect the DC. Now we can check. See, it's 0.010. Okay, press the power button. 0.057 amp. Okay. So this is the status of this particular laptop. See here, it's a power LED is glowing. Okay, it means 3-5 volts are okay. This is advanced level service. So let me check completely. Okay.
Just open this.
Which one?
This screw.
Just a minute. Now remove the CMOS. Don't touch this one, okay? 2 polarities. Should not touch. Don't use leave it. See, just you test this one, just pull it, okay?
Wires.
No issues. See, now we have removed the CMOS, okay? Just you open this, okay? And again you can connect to the DC machine, DC power. Open fully. Slowly, okay? See, after removing CMOS also, we are getting 0.078 or 8 something, right? So, see, again it's coming down. Again it's moving to 0.10 something. Just you observe the DC machine. Okay, now you remove. You can remove. Close this slowly. Now you can remove the screws. Wear the gloves.
Next step.
Open this one also.
Open.
It's opened, huh? Here?
Right.
Okay. Remove this one also.
Just remove.
Here.
Just remove.
This one.
Okay.
That is actually Wi-Fi card. Just to pull it. Okay. Just pull it. It will come. See, in this case, you can use something. Okay, open this. So I'm removing
Removing this screw.
Yes, you have to remove. Yes, all the screws you have to remove. So this one is hard disk one. So here I'm removing all the connection fastly. Okay, this is an advanced level video which I'm making. So now what are the screws are pending that you have to remove, and here also it's a cable one, monitor cable, that also you have to remove. Yes, you have to remove this slowly, and don't use metal part. You better use that plastic one is there. Go and bring that. See, plastic one. Okay. See, Mr. Prakash, always we have to use this plastic kind of thing, okay?
Alright.
Don't use metal part.
Alright.
Now, I have removed. Just a minute. Leave around. See, this one is camera, might be. Okay, this one I removed, and here I removed.
Fan.
Wait. Any screws? Just you have to check.
That is screw is jam.
Jammed, okay. Just a minute, wait. Keyboard. Slowly you have to open. Wait. See, here screw. Just a minute. Slowly open completely.
On.
Just a minute. It's open, right? See now, just a minute. Wait. See, Mr. Prakash, I'll show you one thing. This is a keyboard part, okay?
Alright, sir.
Here one plastic thing is there. Slowly we have to remove. Wait, leave. Slowly, okay? See, here it will get cut. So, bottom of this we have removed all the screws. So now,
It's the kind of thing.
see what I will tell, that time only you have to remove this one, okay? So otherwise some mismatch will happen. That's the thing I'm telling you. Just a minute. First we need to observe what are the things we have to remove. See here, this is the keyboard part, right? Here two screws are there. See, this is for mouse point, and here it's a keyboard point. Here, see, it's a keyboard, screws are there. So this two you have to remove, and three, okay? Okay, now slowly we have to remove. Now hurry, okay? See here, if any getting stuck, so we need to find out what it's getting stuck. Just a minute. Any other screws? Wait. Just a minute. See, here lock, one lock opener is there. Slowly.
This side, back side.
Where it's getting stuck? Yes. Okay. It came here. Leave. Remove your hand. Okay. See, now I'll tell you one thing. So you have to remove these two screws also. Remove this also. Okay. Directly you should not pull up. Leave. Just I'm telling you. See, just you watch. Okay, what I'm doing. Once you open this, so there will be a lock system. See, down. So if you pull that, so it will be problem. So that's why one by one we have to remove. Okay. Here it's connected here in the motherboard. First we need to remove this part. Wait. Don't close. See, I'll show you. Here one part is there. See, just to open. See, This is the keyboard part. Okay. Here, just you pull up. Now it came. Right. See the keyboard? Keyboard came out. Just a bit. Now, what else? So this is the one. Just a minute. Now this one got stuck, right? So you open fully.
One minute.
Not like that.
One minute.
Mr. Prakash, wait.
What?
I'll tell you. Then only you can. See, here is there any screws? Just to check.
It's not good.
Here, not there, right? So, here, what you have to do now? Just you need to observe where it's. See, now you have to open this one. That's good.
Screw is there, huh?
It's opened already. See, it came out. Slowly we have to remove the lock. Okay.
One minute. This is the lock.
Carefully. Open? No.
No.
Just a minute.
Striking.
See, again you have to close this. From this side you have to open, okay? Not that side.
What?
See, this side you have to open.
Okay.
It's a remote now. Okay? Like this you have to remove. Here one more is there. This is already removed by itself.
Okay.
Now you have to open. Slowly you have to open. Okay? Each side. Here. See, slowly. Here, you know why I'm telling you slowly? This is actually hinges. Once it will get cut, so you need to replace this one again.
Okay.
So that's the reason you have to take more care. Slowly you have to open this. You have to hold this. Don't touch this one. Carefully. Open. This one. Take other one. Bit. Hold this. Top one. Hold. Carefully. Don't leave that. In other hand, you have to. See, I am not touching to the screen. Okay, slowly you have to remove. Don't leave this. Hold this. Because it fell down. See, now you have to take little slowly, if possible. Is there any other screws? See here, 1 more inches is there. See here. Don't push. See, this one you have to remove. Leave. See, here 2 screws are there. That we have to remove. Okay, hold properly.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 more is there. Hold properly, but careful the screen. Okay. Now
This is one of the screws there.
Leave. Flush. Almost. Leave. See here. Here total one more screw is there. So total 3 are there. So all we have to remove. Hold properly. So then it will come slowly. Okay. Just you bend it. Again. See, it will come up. Leave.
So one of the screw is there.
Yeah, one more is there, okay? This one also you have to remove. Now it will come out. Okay? See, it came out. Now you check one more screw is there or not. If not there, it will come out. Otherwise, again we have to remove.
Inside is screw is there.
Inside?
Oh, right.
Okay, just a minute. Slowly open. Slowly. It came right. Here? That side also it came right. So, this is the screen part, okay? This is the LAN cable part. First we have to remove the LAN cable, this one, Wi-Fi card. Okay. First you have to disconnect here. Slowly you have to open. Then here screen cable and power card also is there. See, screen cable slowly you have to open. Before that, carefully, okay? Leave. Prakash. Don't do in a hurry, okay?
No.
Just follow my instructions. Just you have to remove this one. Okay, see? It will come like this, but before that, slowly we have to remove. In the help of this one. Okay, it came this side. Okay, this is a power supply. DC jack section. First we need to open this. Now screen cable came and this portion has come. Okay, take out that screen section, keep it aside. Okay. You kept there, no? Okay, please come here. See, now what are the screws are there here? Open this. Always have patience and slowly have to do, okay? Total how many are there? Almost 4, 5, 3. This one is fourth one, right? Anything else? Try to remove this. No, not that one. See, first you have to remove this. Directly it will come like this. Otherwise, see, up. You take this one by help of this. So directly you can push it out. See, first you have to remove this.
One.
Okay, here. came out. It's a speaker part. And slowly you have to open the motherboard. Any screws are there? See? Not there, just a minute. See, something, it's getting stuck. So you have to remove the heatsink now. Fan section I remove. You remove this.
Anything else screws this one?
This screws you have to remove.
Alright.
Slowly and carefully. See, this one attached with the panel. Okay, that's the reason you are unable to open this motherboard. Now it came easily. First you have to open this heatsink. Next motherboard, aram se it came out. Okay, now you check the impedance of particular coils. You know how to do. Black probe in particular coils and red probe goes to ground. Okay, do that one. So you can type. See, now motherboard came out. So first thing is you have to wear the gloves. You shoot the video. Okay, direction here. I'll show you, just you observe. See, now I'm connecting to DC supply. It's a DELL one. Okay, little bit top. You have to cover all this. See, now I'm connecting. I'm checking. See the DC machine. Here
10.
24, 44, 48. Okay. It means 0.0 something. Okay. Now I'm checking the voltages here. Coil voltages. Come this here. See, first ground. Okay, this coil 3.3. See, I'm bringing here. So you can check it out. 3.3. And one more coil 13 volts. It's a battery section.
Right.
Okay, battery. Here nothing. 1.05.
Alright.
I'll check bias pin number 8. Okay. 3.3. Good. Here bias pin number 8. 3.3. Okay. Means it has some working condition. Okay. It's
Alright.
giving clue. Here 1.35.
Alright.
RAM voltage. Okay. We are getting all voltages here.
Right.
Almost all.
Right.
See, if RAM comes minimum more than 100, it has to come, but it's not coming. So anyway, let me check. Now it's off. Okay. It means, see, here is the power switch.
So remove this.
Again. Okay, supply I'll remove. And once again I'll connect this. Check here. It's 48. Okay. In this condition, what will happen? What the problem is that we need to check. See, once again RAM voltage I will check. It's off condition now. See, again it's on condition. Okay. Now I will check the RAM. There.
1.3 volt.
See? RAM is there, right?
1.3 volt. Done.
Okay. Next, it's always 1.05. This one is core, not there. What else? It's only one IC is there. I mean, a coil. Any other coils? No, right?
Alright.
Here one more is there. The 19 volts coil. It's a battery coil.
So
Once
just
again I'm
wheel
checking.
section there.
This is battery section. Okay, one more battery. Okay, here 3.3,
Right.
5 volts.
49 something. This.
It's a 5 volts. Now RAM, it got off, so that's the reason. So we are not getting the RAM voltages. Okay, so again I switch it on. 1.35 RAM came.
Right.
Okay. Now any other coils, only this one.
So,
Means this section also is good. Okay.
okay.
But in this condition, what we have to do is, first we need to check the bias.
Bias.
Okay. Now today we got too late, so tomorrow we'll do the bias and check.
Right. Okay.
See here, there are two bias chips are there. One is here and one is here. Okay. See, this is the one, U1 and U2. Okay. Let me check over the capacity of this. See, in U1 it's 8 MB. Okay. 64 megabyte. This one this one 25Q 032 25Q 032 means it's a 4. Okay, this one is 4 MB and this one is 8 MB. Let me check. I'll open the BIOS. See, I have removed 4 MB first. So let me do the program. Now I am doing 64 MB. See, now I have done the BIOS. Yeah, okay. This one to try. To clean this. Okay, I'll put paste on this. It's in paste. What about heatsink? See, heatsink also has fully dried. There also we have to clean. Okay, now I'll put paste. Okay, paste. See, for safer side, before switching on, so I need to put the heat sink. It's a safer side. Sometimes if any protection won't be there, that case your processor maybe go. That is the reason I'm putting the heat sink. See, for any work you have to be patient and think properly and do the proper work. Okay, simply don't spoil your motherboard removing some other components and all. Here what was the issue? Your amp rating was vary. It's around, sometimes it's 0.400 something it was coming, and 0.08 and 0.04. So that is the reason. First we need to think where exactly may be the problem, then we have to do the particular work. Okay, now I am connecting power supply. See the result. Okay, put my pen drive or keyboard. See, I'm putting the keyboard and pen drive. See the data and see the constant amp rating. Okay, almost constant. Okay, like this we do troubleshooting and all. If anybody want join to PLC, so I'll give a contact number in descriptions. Please contact through Telegram or call. Thank you very much.